Hello, and thank you for joining this short virtual demonstration of LIGHTGLASS. My name is Ben Rapkin, LIGHTGLASS's National Sales Manager, and it's my pleasure to show you LIGHTGLASS. LIGHTGLASS is a unique architectural window light system that allows you to bring the experience of daylight into any space. We call it a window light because it's installed and acts like a window, but it has the internal components of an LED light fixture. It can be made to any rectangular size up to 4 feet by 8 feet and can be installed in ceilings as a skylight or in walls as windows and clear stories. It is also modular and can be installed as a single unit or as a multi-unit to cover entire walls or large areas of the ceiling in light glass. This architectural element is going to have the most impact in spaces that lack real windows and daylight due to their location within the building. When recessed into the wall or ceiling, it's nearly indiscernible from a real exterior window. It is also a more practical and higher quality alternative to stretch fabrics or custom light boxes. Let's take a closer look at how it works. An aluminum extrusion forms the perimeter with a recessed layer of laminated glass within. Behind the glass, there's a void space that creates depth within the product itself, followed by a light-emitting surface designed to appear edgeless and simulate a larger source of light beyond. In terms of performance, LIGHTGLASS is top of the line. It delivers over 5,000 lumens at 100 lumens per watt, over 90 CRI, and is completely uniform with no hot spotting or pixelization. It is dimmable down to 0.1% and has color tuning from 2200 Kelvin to 6500 Kelvin as a standard feature. The intensity and color can be controlled by any third-party control system that utilizes two 0 to 10 volt channels for changes in intensity and color. LIGHTGLASS is only 3.5 inches deep and can fit within a standard 2x4 wall partition for a single unit installation, or for a multi-unit installation, it requires 5 inches of depth, which can fit within a standard 2x6 partition. In a single unit, LIGHTGLASS is installed by removing the face plates and drilling through the extrusion into the framing. In a multi-unit installation, LIGHTGLASS is fastened directly to rows of unistrut at the rear of the rough opening in the wall before each unit locks into one another. Besides ensuring a tight fit between units, our integrated joining system allows for one mullion between units instead of two back-to-back, creating a sharp and refined aesthetic. If you have any questions or need pricing, please reach out to one of our lighting agencies at lightglasslighting.com or directly to my team at sales@lightglasslighting.com. Thank you, and I hope to work with you soon.